Hi guys, how are you doing? So today we are going to be doing a very exciting unboxing, and we're going to be unboxing the Blue Snowball ICE microphone. So I have it here. Very nice. I ordered the white version because I have a black desk, so I thought that it would be a nice contrast in colours, and also I think white looks nice and modern, so that's why I went with this. It also goes well with my Mac keyboard and mouse. So yeah, that's why I went for the white. It was also cheaper as well, so ideal. So let's get unboxing. I have some scissors. I don't know if I'm going to be able to need them, but we have them just in case because we need to be prepared. So I ordered this and I think it was about £54 in England. I've never actually used an external microphone. I've always used the built-in microphones, say on my camera right now. I'm using a built-in microphone, and I've used the built-in microphone on my iPhone and my laptop, and then also on my iMac. So this is the first time that I've actually invested in audio. I'm very excited about it. Sorry about that, my SD card just decided to fill up, so I've taken that one out and put a new one in, and SD cards take so long to get out of the wrapper. It was absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, what was I saying? So I was saying that this was a must-needed upgrade because I've never used an external microphone before. The box is up. I didn't even need the scissors that much, I don't think, so time to actually unbox it. Oh, I can see it through the hole. I'm so excited. Well, look at it, it's in a little table. Not a very good table, but oh well, we tried. And there's also something else in the bottom of it. Probably be easier if I just pulled it out. It's in there tight. Why is this not coming out? We did it with a bit of force. So there we go, box is done. It is Skype and Discord certified. So we'll just leave this to the side for now. I'll just set in that SD card wrapper as well. Let's see what we have here. So we have the table and the actual microphone is in there, I can see it. But first I'm gonna open up, I'm gonna stand this up somewhere. Please stay. Having you a bit of cardboard could be so fun. Okay, I'll go like that. So let's see what's in this box. I'm guessing it's gonna be the instructions and maybe the cable. So it doesn't feel that heavy. Oh, and the tripod is in here. So I've got the instructions. I will definitely be reading those. More instructions. And I'm done with that box as well. So I have the tripod here. Oh, that came out easy. Is it metal or plastic? I have no idea, it's quite hard to tell, but it does feel really good quality. There's a screw there, so you could always screw that up to make it a bit tighter if you needed to, but if you're just going to have it on your desk. Obviously this is not solid surface, but if it's on your desk then it's gonna do the job, you know. Instructions, plug and play USB microphone. Congratulations on your purchase, thank you. This is great. The cable, another important component of this microphone. There we go. I wonder how long this is. It would have been nice to see a white cable with it, but obviously as I've got a black desk this will blend in better, so I'm really not complaining. So let's give it a little... I reckon that's probably 2 meters. It's definitely longer than 1, but that is plenty of wire. Why would I need any more of that? It's not like I'm plugging it in on the moon or something. So now it's time for the main item of the day, the snowball itself. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to take you out your little thing. Oh, I didn't even realise. I didn't even see this. Oh, look at it, just chilling in there. Oh, this is so exciting. It just looks so pretty. Normally microphones just look boring, but it's literally a snowball. It lives up to the name. There she is. It's actually much bigger than I thought it would be. So is it the same size on the box? It's actually slightly bigger than the picture, and I thought it would be much smaller than it actually looks on here, so I am pleasantly surprised. So let's unwrap you. I don't want to touch it, I don't want to smudge it up. Look at you. Oh, it looks great. I can hear something inside of it. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's... Oh, there's little things to stop it. I don't even know what they are. I think if it gets wet, they absorb it. Oh, I was so scared then. I thought something had gone wrong with it. Okay, that definitely... It's weighty as well. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. So there we go. the Blue Snowball. I'm gonna put it on its little stand. I'm excited about this. This is like the main thing you can do for this. I don't know. Oh, I should probably just like, what am I doing in such a weird way? So I'll put it on and twist it. There we go, and that is on there sturdier as you would want it to be. So what does that actually say? It has a little light on the front there, which I love. This plugs into the back, obviously, there. If I can get it in the right way, that is. And yeah, it's a nice design. What does it say? It says Snowball ICE, made in China, 5.0 V, is that volts? Or 500 mA, is that milliamps? I have no idea. I'm not a professional, please don't take anything I say seriously. Oh, so exciting. So that's there. Let me get rid of all of this stuff that I've seemed to have developed over the process of this video. So the unboxing is now done. I'm going to go over to my computer and plug it in and set it all up, but it's just USB plug and play, so it should be pretty easy. So I'm going to record a video on my Mac using the iSight camera and having this as the audio input, and I'll show the raw version of that video, and I'll also try and enhance the video as well, so you'll be able to see. I could just like add some like effects to it and try and make it sound a bit better, but no means am I a professional, so I have no idea what I'm going to do. But yeah, I will cut to that now. Hi guys, so we are now recording the audio through the Blue Snowball ICE microphone. So I'm actually doing it a bit differently. I'm recording the audio through GarageBand, and then I'm recording just the video from the iSight camera through video capture software. So I didn't want like the video capture software to like compress the audio at all. So hopefully doing it through GarageBand and then syncing them both together will be a bit more accurate. So yeah, the microphone was super easy to set up. All you do is plug it in. I was in like the system preferences in the audio menu, and you just plug it in and it came up straight away. And yeah, it's just easy. You just plug and play. It works for both PC and Mac, so it's definitely very easy to use. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this test. Bye! Hi guys, so we are now recording the audio through the Blue Snowball ICE microphone. So I'm actually doing it a bit differently. I'm recording the audio through GarageBand, and then I'm recording just the video from the iSight camera through video capture software. So I didn't want like the video capture software to like compress the audio at all. So hopefully doing it through GarageBand and then syncing them both together will be a bit more accurate. So yeah, the microphone was super easy to set up. All you do is plug it in. I was in like the system preferences in the audio menu, and you just plug it in and it came up straight away. And yeah, it's just easy. You just plug and play. It works for both PC and Mac, so it's definitely very easy to use. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this test. Bye! So yeah, the microphone was super easy to set up. All you do is plug it in. I was in like the system preferences in the audio menu, and you just plug it in and it came up straight away. And yeah, it's just easy. You just plug and play. It works for both PC and Mac, so it's definitely very easy to use. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this test. Bye! So that was my unboxing test and my thoughts on the microphone so far. I hope this video was useful for you guys. I'll also leave a link in the description to the microphone if you guys want to check it out yourselves. And that's all I really wanted to say, so bye guys!